Alright, it's 2023 and this is the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro. The Watch 3 Pro is already out, but I have not been able to get my hands on it because it is currently out of stock. Now, you may be wondering why I'm getting this one when this device is already 1 year old. Well, the thing is that I have not reviewed this one on this channel, so I had to go and get a new one. And this is actually my first Oraimo smartwatch. So I'm going to be unboxing it in this video, but I just want you guys to know that I want to use this as well as the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro when it is out, so that you guys will get to know if it is worth upgrading from this one to the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro. So when I get my hands on that, I'm going to make a review. I'm going to be using this one as well for a while so I can do a final review. If you have been watching videos on this channel, you should know that that's how things work on the channel. Alright, so here's the unboxing, and this is what you get in the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro box. Alright, so from what I can see here, I believe this is going to be the way to unbox it. So I'm just going to drag this out. Alright, so we have the covering, which we don't need. Let me put it this way so it will look good. And this is the watch. Now it has the strap on, which is okay. So I can get rid of this. And this is the watch itself. Now my only problem with watches like this is they are very easy to steal, unlike chain watches. I hope this has some kind of anti-theft feature. If it doesn't, I hope the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro will have that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So let's just keep this one aside for now. I'll put it over here. Okay, we have the watch holder. We have the manuals here. If I can get it out. Okay, so this is the manual. I'll take some time to go through it to understand how it works. And over here we should have the charging cable. Alright, so I can pull it out this way. So this is what the charging cable is like. This is not USB, this is not Type-C. I don't even know what they call this one, but I think it's a magnet cable. So this is what I'm going to be using to charge the device. Like I said, it's a magnetic cable, so you can just apply it here. Alright, so as I'm trying to apply it, I can feel the resistance because I'm guessing the magnets are the same poles, like north and north are facing each other, south and south facing each other as well. So I have to flip it this way, and then now it sticks without any issues. So yeah, just keep that in mind when you're trying to charge it. It has to go the right way. I don't know if there's anything here. Yeah, there's nothing here. I can't even pull it out. It is glued. So that's all for the unboxing. This is everything you get. You get the watch, and you get the charging cord, you get the manual. There's no charger here, so you have to use your charger. And the charger I'm using is the itel 10-watt charger. I've made a video about it. It's a very good charger. You can watch the video if you want. So yeah, that's basically all. I'm going to remove this, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm not going to power it on in this video, unfortunately. I don't know if this is something I'll be doing from time to time. Maybe I will not power on devices when I'm unboxing them, but for this video I'll not be turning it on. So I'm going to charge it, and I'll get back to you in the full review. Ask me any questions you may have, and yeah, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.